So the Apple Watch definitely has some navigation features, but a lot of people are interested in the offline using of the maps and the GPS, right? So let me talk about what is possible and how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can use offline maps on the Apple Watch because in the Maps app on your iPhone, there is the ability to save some save some map area for offline access, right? So the way that it would work is that you would check out the map application, as I said, click on your initials or like your profile within the maps, and you would be able to see like your offline area right there. So you'll be able to see some offline maps. So you can basically just click on a plus and see some locations or download something which you can access offline, right? So this is how you can add it on the iPhone. By default, it should automatically be synced to the Apple Watch as well. So on the watch, you'll be able to get the map as well, and just click on the search and access all of the places like the offline places as well, right? So you'd be able to find it right here, and then you would be able to use it, right? So that is how you can basically get the offline map access. It is obviously not the most practical thing ever, as it still requires you to like set it up beforehand, but it should appear on the Apple Watch and you should be able to access it as well, even without the internet, right? So you'd be able to set up like a hike or, like navigation around that area, and it should navigate you even without the internet. But yeah, the maps and the GPS is much more useful with the internet connection. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.